Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you a setting related to the 4K 30 FPS and 60 FPS recording. See here, currently this is 4K 30 FPS, right? There is no 60 FPS option here in order to record. Even though if I click on the record button, whatever the output I'll get here is only 30 FPS. I'll stop this. So I thought that would be the problem with the memory card what I have inserted here. See, but that is not the case. The memory card is fine. I have purchased this by checking the V30 class only here. The V30 class memory card only I inserted, but still there is no option here. The problem here is with the settings only. No need to worry. See here at the top left, if you can see your left, there is a low here. My camera is in the setting of low lighting. You need to tap on here, bottom left, right, bottom left, and choose the video as the option. Now tap on this. Now you're in the video mode, not the low light mode. Okay, maybe I can see here. Now it is automatically 4K 60 FPS, if you can see or not. I'll swipe up here. Sorry. See, now I can get 60 FPS recording. So fine, right? 4K 60 FPS. I can swipe up. Even I can record now in 2.7K 10080 pixel and 4K 60 FPS in the resolution here. You can also adjust the frame here 16:9 what is I want. Now I'll be clicking on this record button. Yeah, fine. Now it is recording in 4K 60 FPS. I hope you like this tutorial. If you feel this tutorial is informative about DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and if you want the unboxing details of this, just find it in the description. I'll be adding there. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please do hit a like if it is helpful.